2023 has been one of the most competitive years when it comes to getting a job, being on the job market, or even starting a business. Your income is bound to take a brunt of this ongoing recession. It is total chaos when it comes to looking for a job, when it comes to starting a business, when it comes to earning money. But even in this chaos, I see an opportunity to reach to the very top. So, what does it take to reach to this very top that I'm talking about? It requires mastery of your skills. I am Mihir Iyer, a student and a teacher, and I have overseen the success of countless students, including mine, in these past 7 years. Today, I will be sharing a 7-step program to be able to master your skills. Skills can be classified into two. You have your hard skills and your soft skills. What are hard skills? Hard skills are those technical skills that you need to master when it comes to industry standards. So say if I am a data analyst, I require knowledge of whatever software I use. So I need to have technological skills. I need to also be having skills pertaining to certain industries. So say if I am a data analyst in the finance industry, I need to have certain financial skills. These are hard skills that can be taught in a formal way in schools, in technical colleges, and much more, and are required as a base to use your knowledge and apply them. Soft skills, on the other hand, deal with people to people interaction. At any single point in your life, whether it comes to being in a job or even starting a business, you have to interact with people, whether it be your co-workers, whether it be your audience. So how you interact with this audience or your co-workers entirely is dependent on the kind of soft skills you have. So what can be included in soft skills? Your communication skills, reading skills, writing skills, speaking skills, language skills. These skills can only be honed by experience. If you have the best possible skills, you can optimally apply your entire knowledge base to do the job that you have been tasked to do. For that, you need the right set of skills. If you cannot put yourself out properly using your right skills, you will not get your employees, you will not get your investors. Here is a 7-step mechanism for it. Firstly, decide on your professional goal. Now over here, you're sitting in front of your screen doing nothing, hopefully gaining something from this video. After this video is done, I want you to take a piece of paper and a pen and decide on what your goal is going to be. Whether it be to get the best possible 6-figure job or to get an 8-figure business, whatever. Write your goal down in the most possible detail. What are you going to include in those details? Where, how, and what. So once your goal is decided, your second step will be to list down the kind of skills you require. You will require a strong set of hard skills and a strong set of soft skills. Each and every skill, even if you feel like it might be the most useless thing, write it down. Because trust me, even that useless skill could be a lifesaver. The third most important thing, and arguably what I find to be the most important, is at least spend 2 hours learning a new language. The world is multicultural, the world is interconnected. To be able to efficiently communicate with people, you require more than one language. If you just speak English, maybe you might be losing out on a certain audience. Now, after you have been looking into learning these languages, try and read books in these languages. Trust me, this is the best possible way for you to even learn that language. Moving on to the 6th point, talk to people in your field of interest. This act of talking to people, having meaningful conversations, will improve your speaking skills, will improve your knowledge base as well. And now the 7th and the last point, take care of yourself at every single step of this. Skill building could be a very taxing task. Skill building requires consistent efforts. So make sure you take care of yourself, meditate regularly, journal, spend time in nature, spend time in people who actually make you feel happy. Now, all these points that I've mentioned, these are all general points. For every single student, you will have different dynamic changes in them. So if you are interested in such a program and you're a high schooler studying STEM, I have a free webinar that I'm going to do in the middle of June for you for my program, the STEM Student Launchpad. What do I do in this program? I teach you how to monetize your passion, how to skill build, and how to get the right education for your STEM career. So if you're interested in this, links are in the description. Also the links to my blog and my newsletter where I go into even more detail when it comes to such tips and tricks. If you're interested, all those links are down below. Thank you for watching and happy learning.